Holy smokes, Friday already, and guess what we just picked up from AZTEC Welding? Yes sirree, Bob. Terry Hopkins vintage big wheel sidecar project. Check that out. How cool is this? Rob and the guys from AZTEC did a great job. We'll do some dialing in stuff now. And next is the wheel cover, some spacers, rear body work, floor pan, and we are making big progress here. Bike's already been lowered. Can't believe how easy one of these things steers and rolls. I'm telling you, I can see 100 miles an hour coming out of this thing. No kidding. See ya. Hey, Dutch.